Billettkontroll busted me. Norway is a country full of people that generally follow the rules. Because what happens when you don't follow the rules is you get bammed over the head. Oh my gosh, let me tell you about this. This is a ticket from Control. Tilleggsavgift ved billettkontroll is 750 kroner of a fine. That fine was because I didn't buy a bus ticket that was 25 kroner. Unbelievable. I tried to do everything when he was like, yo, you got a bus ticket? And I was like, oh, I forgot to buy the bus ticket. I was gonna be like, oh, you know, I'm foreigner, I don't know anything, I'm sorry, you know, you don't need to write the ticket because, you know, like, you know, I don't even live here and everything, so there's no point. And he was like, let me see your ID. And when I pulled out my wallet, there's my Sparebanken bank card, my bank card, and my residence card. And I was like, oh, okay, yeah, I live here. And he hit me for 750 kroner. To put that in American terms, that is a $2.50 bus ticket that I got fined $75 for. I was like, bro, come on, bro. I can't get a warning. Like, come on, this is the first time. He was like, warning? This is the warning. That's why it's only 750 kroner. The next time it's gonna be 1,000 and then 1,500 and then 2,000. A monthly bus pass, this is up in Tromsø, a monthly bus pass was like 550 kroner. To ride the bus all day, every day, as much as you want. And this warning fine was more than the cost of a monthly bus pass. You can only imagine what would happen if you had like a DUI or something. That would be insane. This is like them countries that be, you know, chopping off your hand if you steal something. Like, I ain't gonna do it again. Oh, I know you ain't gonna do it again. And I have never done it again. Trust me, when I'm about to get on the bus, I make sure I got my bus pass, I'm ready to go, and I'm ready. When the control hits me, I'll be like, bam! So that's an example. Follow the rules when you're in Norway.